this Kirby Diamond Edition. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, so let's go ahead and, oh, that's already done. Clean it up. At least this one has a transmission, and it does, oh, doesn't appear to be engaging, so interesting. Got the switch, height adjustment. Yeah, let's go ahead and plug this sucker in. Pretty sure this bag might be full. I'll open that later. Chewed up. Safe though. It's not like bare copper, at least. Okay, got it plugged in. Something's caught in the fan, and transmission belt is either broken or just not engaging, so yeah. Let's get started. They used good HEPA bags, so at least it's nice and clean on the inside. The outside, I can't say so much. Took it apart. Belt's fine, relatively new. Could be an issue with this. Let's see if we can get it working. Transmission actually works perfectly fine, so hopefully we'll just clean it up and it'll work. Alright, well, the fan is perfectly fine. They tried to suck up some electrical cord. Oh wait, no, that's the old seal that was put on there. It got chewed up by whatever they vacuumed up, and yeah, the fan's even rather nice, actually. It's just dirty. Awesome. Alright, well, they took it apart. I'm gonna go get a box, bring it inside, and give it a bath. The motor sounds fine, but okay, drive. It does move. It does go into neutral, and it does engage. And then I'm gonna buy a new brush roll because the bristles are worn out. Has something to do with the transmission, I'm sure, because earlier when I had it detached and I was just spinning it in my hand, it sounded fine. So I'm just gonna pop a new transmission in there probably, but the motor's fine.